how to use the superlatives with its adjectives: expensive, fast, nice, big, ugly, and good. Let's go. Well, the first structure we are going to check is about the long adjectives. Okay, so the structure is like this: noun, no name, verb to be, the most, long adjective, noun type, and complement. Example number 1. The Rolls Royce La Rose Noire drop tail. You can say just the Rolls Royce and that's it. The Rolls Royce is the most expensive car in the world. The Rolls Royce is the most expensive car in the world. Example 2. Biology is the most difficult subject at school. Biology is the most difficult subject at school. Next example. Luis Miguel is the most famous singer in Mexico. Luis Miguel is the most famous singer in Mexico. Next example. Mole is the most delicious food in Puebla. Mole is the most delicious food in Puebla. As you can realize now, well, as you see now, we have to add the most, then we use the adjective. It's a long adjective. Okay, so we have here translation, and now we are going to work with short adjectives. Okay, and the structure is like that: noun, verb to be, article te, definite article, short adjective plus est. Remember that when we are talking about superlatives, we talk about the highest in his quality, the highest in his type. Okay, for example, Great Khali is the tallest wrestler at WWE. Great Khali is the tallest wrestler at WWE. Let's go with the next. The peregrine falcon is the fastest animal in the world. The peregrine falcon is the fastest animal in the world. Next example. Jane is the nicest person at school. Jane is the nicest person at school. Okay, remember that nice is not talking exactly about her beauty. It's talking about her being, the way she is. She's a nice person. Okay, let's go on with the next example. And this is with a different kind of adjectives. The structure is the same, plus we use a consonant vowel consonant adjective. A consonant vowel consonant adjective, we write double the last consonant and we add est. Well, noun type and complement. Example 1. Ariana Grande is the thinnest singer I have seen. Ariana Grande is the thinnest singer I have seen. Next example. Ñoño is the fattest. Ñoño is the fattest child at the neighborhood. Ñoño is the fattest child at the neighborhood. Next sentence. Sonora is the hottest state in Mexico. Sonora is the hottest state in Mexico. As you can see, these last three examples, we doubled the consonant, the last consonant, because of the form of the adjective: consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay, let's go on. Okay, this time we have this structure. Okay, and this structure is for adjectives ended in y. When they end in y, we change y for I plus est. Okay, noun type is the same in complement. Example 1. The blue whale is the heaviest animal in the sea. The blue whale is the heaviest animal in the sea. Next example, Spanish is the easiest subject for me. Spanish is the easiest subject for me. Next sentence. Sally is the busiest person at the office. Sally is the busiest person at the office. Okay? And the last kind of superlatives is this one with irregular adjectives. Irregular adjectives, my dear friends, they sometimes they change completely from the original adjective form to the comparative or superlative form. This time we will be checking the superlative, so it's as follows. We have the adjective, we have the comparative, for example, good, then better, and the best for superlative. Okay? Old, older for comparative, the oldest for superlative. Far, further for comparative, the furthest for superlative. Bad, worse for comparative, worst, the worst for the superlative. Well, better for comparative, and best for superlative. Little, less for comparative, least, it should be the least for superlative. Then we have many, we have more for comparative, and the most for superlative. The most for superlative. Okay, let's check some examples. Messi is the best soccer player. Messi is the best soccer player. Cruz del Sur is the furthest mall. Cruz del Sur is the furthest mall. At least for my location, yes, it's far away. Fiat is the worst car. Fiat is the worst car. Okay, my point of view. You can say any other brand is the worst car. It doesn't matter. Okay. Well, my dear friends, this is all about superlatives. I hope you enjoyed the class. I hope you learned the topic. If you get any question, please comment. Don't forget to comment, and I will answer your questions as soon as possible. Well, click there where the arrow points and see you in the next video. So long.